If Steam is showing error 34, that usually means it's running into a file system or write error. In simple terms, Steam is trying to create or modify a file, but something is stopping it. That could be a full hard drive, a folder that's set to read only, or even a security program locking the directory. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Steam error 34 step by step, so you can get back to downloading and updating your games without the headache. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with the most common solution, running Steam as administrator. If Steam doesn't have the proper write permissions for its own folder, that can trigger error 34 right away. To do this, fully close Steam first, open Task Manager and make sure Steam is completely shut down. Then find your Steam shortcut, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. If Steam opens normally after that, you may want to make this permanent. Right-click the shortcut again, go to Properties, then open the Compatibility tab and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. This gives Steam the elevated permissions it often needs to update files properly. Next, check your disk space. Even if the game or update seems small, Steam often needs extra buffer space to move files around while it installs or patches content. If your drive is nearly full, Steam can fail with a write error. As a good rule of thumb, try to keep at least 10 to 20 gigabytes of free space available on the drive where Steam is installed. Also, check the drive where your Steam library is located, because the library drive may be the one causing the issue, not just the main Steam folder. If that drive is low on space, free up some room and then try to download or update again. Now let's move on to another common cause, the read-only attribute. Sometimes Windows updates can flip your Steam folder into read-only mode, which blocks Steam from making changes to its files. To fix this, open File Explorer and go to your Steam folder. By default, that's usually located in C drive, Program Files x86, then Steam. Right-click the Steam folder and choose Properties. At the bottom, look for the read-only box and uncheck it. Then click Apply. When Windows asks how to apply the change, choose Apply Changes to this folder, subfolders, and files. This is important because Steam needs permission across the entire folder structure, not just the main folder itself. After that, give Steam another try and see if the error is gone. If you're still having trouble, it's also worth checking whether antivirus or security software is locking the Steam directory in the background. Some security programs can be overly aggressive and block Steam from writing update files. If that's the case, you may need to temporarily disable the protection or add Steam to the allowed list. Just remember to re-enable your protection afterward. The reason these fixes work is because error 34 is usually not a broken game but a permissions or storage problem. So by giving Steam admin access, making sure there's enough free space, and removing the read-only restriction, you're fixing the exact things that stop Steam from writing files. If one fix doesn't work, move on to the next one, because these issues can stack together. And once Steam can write to the folder normally again, your downloads and updates should continue without the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.